Welcome to a new CrocFix video today, and let's see how to replace your battery on your Samsung Note 20 Ultra smartphone. If you need any parts or tools, I have provided the links in the video description. Just click under more under the video. Okay, so this is our phone, our Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's see how to open this phone and replace the battery. So first, what are you going to do is take your heat gun and heat up the back cover. I'm using here at about 180 to 200 degrees Celsius and heating up the back cover for maybe about, okay, as you see I'm using 220 degrees, so sorry about that. I'm using it for maybe a minute or two just to soften the glue underneath and to better and easy open it. Especially take care and don't heat up too much at the camera area, otherwise you could also damage the camera. Okay, now I'm trying to make a gap between the back cover and the middle frame, and for this I'm using here a suction cup. And you only need to do here just a little small gap so you can put your fingernail in or just a plastic card. So work slowly here. As you see, I'm trying to put my fingernail here because it's easier and more convenient for me. But you work like you think is the best for you, and keep in mind that always work carefully. So maybe the glue is not softened enough, so I'm heating it up a little bit more. Some of this adhesive tape is really strong, so you will think that you don't even move for a millimeter. So, but you try it 2 or 3 times and then you will do a gap like I did. Then use a plastic card or a card, whichever card made from plastic. The best thing is you don't use any metal things, otherwise you could damage it. Then you go and cut the adhesive tape under the back cover. Don't press it too much out, don't lift it too much, otherwise you could break it because it's made from glass. Carefully work around and cut all the corners. So we have lifted up the back cover, and as you see, the glue is still remaining on it. That's good. Now we are going to remove all these screws here and then remove the back plate with also disassembling the metal plate and disconnecting the small connector here, the flex cable. Okay, then let's remove the SIM card tray. With a SIM card, if you have any. Okay, now we are going to remove the pen here, the S pen. And now let's try to lift up this metal plate, which is also the wireless charging system. So work carefully here and disconnect also the flex cable which was connected here. Try to slowly lift up. The this side down has a little bit adhesive tape, but it's easy to remove. Then you will need to disconnect the battery and then all these flex cables. There are 3 remaining flex cables here, so disconnect carefully all and use a plastic pry tool. So what I'm going to do now is I lift up these all flex cables carefully. They are not very soft, they could also be broken, so you have to be careful here. So once are all tied together, I will use some tape, adhesive tape, to glue them to the other side, as you will see, so they won't bother me when I will remove the battery. So I'm carefully gluing them here all tight. First like this. Okay, so now they are safe, they won't bend back, and it will be easier to remove the battery. To remove the battery, I'm using here a small plastic card, and then also we need to use some alcohol. The alcohol will soften the glue under the battery and it will be easier to remove. So pour it in and let it work for you. You will need to wait maybe for a minute or 2 or maybe 3 that the glue under the battery will become softer. You can move your phone a little bit and pour a little bit more alcohol underneath, and then just move it in all the corners so it can go everywhere under the battery. Now you will need a small pry tool and 2 for lifting up the battery here. So the best thing is you use something like I did. It shouldn't be sharp, otherwise you could damage the battery. So the best is a pry tool for removing batteries, like you see here. You can order one in the video link description, which I provided. So lift it up. As you see, the alcohol did some work underneath. And once you lift it up, you can help yourself with another hand. And then you put the plastic card under the battery here. So it has to go underneath. Don't cut the battery. So you have to lift it up with a tool and then you go with the plastic card underneath. If you're lucky, then the adhesive will get loose really fast and easily, and the battery will be easier to remove. So just give yourself time, don't work too fast. You see, I can lift the battery more, so you can just quickly remove it. That's great. So this tape actually don't need to be removed. You can leave it, and you can remove the leftover adhesive which was under the battery. I will show you how to remove that now which is pretty easy. You can use your fingers, but just wait a second. Okay, so now let's remove this all leftovers from the glue so you can stick your battery better in with new adhesive, of course. So clean it nicely, maybe use some alcohol, and that's it. I actually taped the flex cables again here. Okay, there we have our battery. So just remove the adhesive protectors here. If you have blue ones, then remove the blue one. I have red ones, just that you will stick the battery in. There we go. Now we are going to stick in the battery. So carefully align it and then gently press it everywhere in the corner to stick it in. Then you can press a little bit harder so the adhesive tape will hold like it should. Now remove this tape here. There we go. Okay, the tape is removed. And now we are going to assemble it. First connect all the flex cables. So the first connector here. Touch it twice to make sure it's connected. And then this one. Okay, and then the last connector here. And of course, as well, the battery. So the battery is always last. There we go. Okay, now we take the upper metal plate together with the wireless charging, connect the flex cable here, put it in place, align it, connect it. Okay, there we go. I will zoom here a little bit in to show you better. And then put it in place. And the screws are already waiting for you. You connect also the bottom adhesive. I mean, it was already glued, so no worries. And then take your screws and screw all the stuff together into the frame. Okay, so now I will take here the duster, blow out the dust to make it clean, so no dust will be on the camera lens. There we go. So I'm taking here a new back cover as it was ordered. So if you have the old back cover, you can reuse the adhesive tape, or you just put some T7000 or B7000 glue over it and put it in place. Okay, so one final cleaning attempt here to remove all the dust with this blower, and then we are good to go. This is our brand new back cover for the Note 20 Ultra. So let's remove here first the protector for the back lens, for the back glass, and here the protector for the double-sided adhesive tape. Okay, perfect. So just one cleaning attempt for the last time here, just in case. But it's pretty new, so yeah. Now we are going to put it in place. So be careful here. Maybe you work first from the top and press it gently down inside the frame so it's perfectly aligned, and then go with your fingers and press it in all corners, everywhere, so the adhesive tape will be strong enough and hold like it should. At the end you take one cloth and then you also go everywhere, because it's easier, it's more convenient, and you press also in every corners around for better holding. You have to make your work perfect, so just take your time. As this video was made from a second video, you will see a brand new screen and a back cover as well. But the most important, you have changed the battery and you saw how it's done. Thanks for watching. If the video did somehow help you, then you can buy me a coffee. Donations are always appreciated. Thank you. You find the donation link in my about page and in the video description. Please also like, comment and share the video. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.